Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be talking about my newest purchase on Amazon, the iPhone 13 mini. I got this Amazon renewed. Here is the box right here. I made a video when you're seeing this probably a couple days ago at this point on my iPhone 14 Pro, which was also an Amazon renewed iPhone that I got about a month ago. Well, not was, it is. I still have it. And I made a video on that about how the phone was brand new. It didn't come in the original box or anything like that. It was, but no scratches, not a single scratch on it, not a single scratch on the frame. And after a month of me using it, I checked the charge cycles and it only had 24. So when I got it, it probably had less than 10. Battery health 100%, all that kind of stuff. And also, it did not have a valid purchase date with Apple. So I think it was probably a return of some kind. Maybe somebody bought it and, just never activated it, and they kept it. I had a couple days and said never mind, and they took it back, and somehow Amazon got it and sold it under the refurbished program or the renewed program. This is also a renewed premium iPhone right here. So there's renewed and there's renewed premium. The renewed premium are guaranteed to have 90% or more battery health and look and function as brand new. So very minimal, wear and tear and stuff like that, whereas the regular renewed ones may have a couple bumps and scratches, on them that don't affect the functionality. Now this one does have a tiny, you can only see it and feel it on the screens, or you can feel it all the time, but you can only see it when the screen's off. There's a tiny little nick on the screen down there. Very, very small. You can barely notice it. Not a huge deal at all. I don't have to worry about putting the first scratch on it because I'm not going to use this with a case or a screen protector. I'm just going to use it. So this is kind of my don't care about it phone. If I need to buy a battery from Apple and put it in, I'll do that. If I need to buy a screen from Apple and put it on, I will do that. So I'm fully prepared to just charge this phone when it needs to be charged, wear it out, replace the battery, and do it again. I really like the form factor of this phone. It's really, really nice to use one hand. It's still got the A15 Bionic in it, so the performance is great. There's really no performance difference between my 14 Pro and this 13 mini, other than the battery life. This is kind of a charge it when you can phone, and if you're near a charger, you should probably just plug it in. I also have my MagSafe battery pack that when I'm, just chilling, I'll put this on the back of it and just keep it topped off with the MagSafe battery pack. So that's very nice right there. Very good phone for the MagSafe battery pack. One thing I like, I actually put it on real quick. One thing I like about this MagSafe battery pack on the iPhone 13 mini is they're the same size. So with the the 14 Pro or anything bigger than the mini, you have phones sticking off the side. And it makes it kind of weird to hold because it's kind of like a little hump on the back. This kind of just makes it one solid piece. So that's kind of nice. But very good condition. I checked this with coconut battery. We're sitting at about 66 cycles when I unboxed it. And 100% battery health, of course. So very good condition. This one was about $30 cheaper than a brand new one. So you save a little bit of money, and you pretty much get a brand new phone. I would call, in my experience with buying two of them so far, I would call the Amazon Premium renewed ones probably just store returns or open box. They're about that same condition, and you get a very good device and save a couple dollars. Now your mileage may vary because I did notice one thing. When I bought this one, it said on Amazon that it was the last one left. It said one left, order soon. When I ordered it, a few minutes later, it said that there were 20 left in stock, and I was like, what? And the price went up $9. And then I looked, and the seller, it was still shipped by Amazon, but the seller had changed. This one was shipped and sold by Amazon. So they do have some premium renewed stuff that is shipped and sold by Amazon. But they also have third-party sellers that sell them as well. So I don't know if the refurbishment process is the same or how that works, but all the ones I have purchased have been shipped and sold directly from Amazon. So that's my experience with all that, but your mileage may vary. Just check and see what the seller is, who the seller is, and see if it's Amazon or a third party. But they should still have the same guarantee. I believe the renewed premium stuff has a 1-year warranty, and that's, as long as you return it in the same condition, you can return it within a year of your purchase. So that's my experience with Amazon Renewed Premium. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.